everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today's video I will be showing you how you can solve your Instagram automatically closing itself problem on your phone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So for this problem, that could be that your app is not up to date, it is not updated, and that's why it is lagging. So you will simply go to your Play Store, then you can simply search the Instagram app. Then you will see if your Instagram has an option called update there, then you can simply tap on that update option, your app will be updated, and then you can simply open it and trying to use your app again. But if your app shows open option itself and then still is closing itself, which is annoying, then what other thing that you could do is go to your setting option, tap, and then you will go to this option called apps, and then again go to apps, and then you can simply search the particular app, or you can simply scroll down, and once your app is there, simply tap on that and you will go to this option called storage. Tap on that option, and here you can see an option called clear cache. Sometimes because your Instagram has unnecessary storage build up, that's why your app is not able to function itself properly. So you will simply tap on this clear cache option, and once your cache is cleared, then you will again go back and again try to use your Instagram, and again the problem is still not resolved. Then you will make sure you will go again back to settings and scroll down until you see the option called system and updates, and go to this option called software update. Sometimes the problem could be from your phone itself also, if your software is not updated. So this could be one of the reasons. The other thing that you can do is, once your app is closing itself, then you can again reinstall your app, then you can again restart your device also, and then you can try using your app. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys in another video of ours.